Hi guys, welcome to God in my channel, and this is the episode 2. And I have bad news and good news. The bad news is that I cannot include you on on building the rooms and the furniture. But the good news is that this video is going to be crisp and short, and I also have a secret base in here. So let's go quick. This is my bedroom with a bed, bookshelves, a cauldron. I don't know what the heck is that, and with some pictures. I'm doing this really fast because I want to save time for the base. I don't know how much will I build today, and this is the craftsman city, the workshop. I've got all these item frames, lots of furnaces, lots of crafting tables, some cauldrons, some anvils, and some maps. Yeah, these cover different places. In this one we can see our base, in this one we can see it on the corner, in this one we can see it on this corner. Yeah. And now it's gonna be tough for you guys to find out. For previous Minecraft players, I think they know this trick. The thing is that you have to walk through a painting frame, paint to a painting, and you'll just reach it. Now all you have to do is just okay, come on man. Yeah. And this is my base, so I think this is up. I'll just go back up. Okay, shut that. Go through the secret frame. So that's it for our base, and until next time, it's God in my channel. And almost I forgot, the map has a place, so we have to delete. We have to take this down. Yeah, I'll just collect the maps, guys. And yeah, there's a problem. I had a hole. I'm literally having a hole in the roof, so I'll just go mend it up quickly, and with this we'll end our video. Okay, so where's, come on man, stone bricks. Okay, I think that will be nice. So with this we'll end our video. Once again, I'll just mend that up. So this video is crisp and short, so with this we'll end our video. Till that, bye guys from God in my channel.